Hi, I'm Spencer, an expert builder at NowLogic, and today I'll be explaining the Send Email with Link to Document function. Let's get started.
The Send Email with Link to Document function is used to email a document link to a specific recipient. This function supports documents such as quotes, orders, invoices, work orders, and purchase orders, ensuring that recipients can access the document via the generated link. To add this function to your actions, first, locate the action you want to configure and press Edit. Inside the editor, click on Add Function, then click on the header of the newly added function. Search for Send Email with Link to Document and select it. This function requires configuration. You will need to select the email template that will be used for the message. The documents required for this function can either be created from scratch or selected from predefined templates. That's the end of our quick tutorial on the Send Email with Link to Document function. You can check out our other documentation videos or reach out to the team and me with any recommendations for future help articles to help speed up your workflow.